I'm going to prepare soup for you. Okay? I want some vegetables. What all you will add in the soup? Can you pick me some vegetables from which we can prepare a soup? Okay, very good. Then, what else you will add? What else you can add in the soup? At least give me one more. Okay. Okay. Now listen. Now, suppose, come here Shivanshika. Now stand here. Now Shivanshika is here. Now she will be the shopkeeper. Okay. Sakshi come. And Sudhanvi come. Now you going to purchase some vegetables. You ask her how you will purchase vegetables. पूछो कैसे पूछेंगे पूछो आप लोग मम्मी पापा के साथ मार्केट गए थे ना what you want you take say her how much kilo that kanda you don't know okay so you want carrot okay now she wants to take the carrot what you should give her money what you should give money whenever we buy things from others we should give money okay sit down. Very good. Now Sujani, you go. Sit properly. Satish, come here. Ashwi Vaikund, come here. Ashwins, come here. Now you want to purchase fruits. You come and purchase fruits. Then you tell me what are the names of fruits you like to have. Take which is apple. This is an apple. Okay. What is the color of the apple? Very good. What else you want? Only apple you want. You don't want any other fruits. Okay. You go. What fruits do you like to have? What is this? Orange. What is the color of the fruit? Color is also orange. Now name the fruit which has the same name. Orange. Now we are going to play a game. Okay. I am going to call only those who are very quiet. Now you go back. You all know the names. I will going to check now. Okay. I will show. You have to play. Repeat with the leader because you know you come here. You stand here. Satish, move. Afterwards, I'll play with everyone. Okay. Now, who else has not yet come? You come here. You go to come in. Wait. Fruits and vegetables. Am I right? Yes. Now see here. See here. What is this? Fruits. Ritvish is having what? Fruits. Kritik is having vegetables. Now you are standing in between. Stand in between. In between. Now I will show something. Then you have to tell me what is it. Okay? I'm going to mix everything. Even I don't know. What I will pick up, I don't know. Okay? I'll keep everything together. I'll show the cluster because it's very difficult for me to hold. Okay. Okay. You all know. Now I'll tell you what we should do. When I show that thing, you should say whether it is a vegetable or fruit. If it is vegetable, you have to jump to the vegetable side. If it is fruit, you have to jump towards the fruit. If you jump wrongly, ready? Ready. Did you all understand? Yes. Now are you ready? Yes. Okay. Okay, first time. Come back. Fruits. Very good. Let me out others. Those who are out should come out. Now come in between. Come in between. Come in between. Come in between. Come in front. Very good. You should tell the name and jump. Fruit or vegetable? Fruit. What is the name of the fruit? Now you go. Let the next set come. You go. You go.